Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior with a natural grain walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium one with blind spot assist, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic spikes for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 8,298 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.